In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to locate peer-reviewed sources in EBSCO databases. You have two main options that make it very easy in this database to locate peer-reviewed sources. First, I'm going to type in my search term. So my project today is for anxiety. And then if I scroll down under search options, you'll see peer-reviewed listed under limit your results. So click that box and hit search, and then you'll know all of your sources are peer-reviewed. But let's say you add your search term and then hit search and you forget to hit that button. All you have to do on the results page is under refine your results, select peer-reviewed. It's very simple, and now I know that all of these sources are peer-reviewed. But let's say, for example, you are searching on Google Scholar and you want to know, hey, if I use this article, is it peer-reviewed? All you have to do is take the title, copy it, and then go back to your database. I'm going to search it, putting the title in quotation marks. Run my search again, and because I have the limiter of peer-reviewed, I know that this one, because it pulled up, is a peer-reviewed article. So that is an easy way to check. We invite you to view other tutorials we have in this series to learn more about using EBSCO databases in your research.